back to the channel. Welcome to Only Nancy. I'm Nancy. So today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. Basically quarantine ordering just and buying a whole lot of things that I really didn't need, but at the same time I think I needed it. I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I purchased from Amazon. So let's get started. So first things first from Amazon is this wireless charging stand. So basically I got this because I was tired of switching my devices, having like multiple connection ports to charge my AirPods, to charge my iPhone, and to charge my Apple Watch. I just got tired of like taking turns on the charger. So I was on YouTube and this, I don't know who I was watching, she recommended that you try this wireless charging stand that I found from Amazon. It wasn't the specific one, it was a little more expensive, the one that she recommends, so I just found something a little more cheaper. So it comes in a box like this. I thought it would have been a little bigger, but I'm kind of glad it wasn't, because it's supposed to go like on your nightstand. So this is it. As you can see, it has, this is where I put my AirPods. So basically there's an adapter for it, and you just sit it on there and it'll charge, and that's cool. And then you just put your Apple Watch around it, and then here you put your phone. So here you just put your phone. This one doesn't have the adapter, it's more like, you know, just slap it on and then it's gonna charge, which I thought was pretty cool. It comes with a charging port, of course, and I thought that was pretty cool. And the brand is Zeno, sometimes I don't know how to pronounce. My niece says Sonero. So next thing that I got from Amazon is nail polish, and this is by the brand Joyty. I cannot read for some reason. Basically I got 23 gel polish, because we all know that we're in quarantine and we cannot go get our nails done, except for my toes, because I know I can't do my hands at all. So these are all the colors that we have here. I'm looking at the lavender one, like I probably was like, oh yeah, it's pretty big. They're pretty small. I thought they would have been like a little bigger than this. Hey. So again, I'm looking, so these are like the color options and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can really see it. So there's 23, more like 20 colors, and then it comes with like a base coat, 2 base coats, a top coat, and a matte top coat. So yeah, I thought this was pretty. I don't know. To me, I'm very cheap.
What is your favorite
So it was
color?
probably like a little expensive for me. My favorite color is probably like the lavender for my toes. So also with that order, I got these nail tools for my toenails, because I'm gonna attempt to do my own pedicure. So I have the cuticle pusher, then I have the clipper. There's a name for it, but this is like to clip ingrown toenails and stuff like that. So yeah. Next item is this practice training head for eyelashes, because I wanted to learn how to do like false individual eyelashes. You know, this person is a little harder than expected, but hey, so it's not bad. But you know what's crazy is, once I received the items, I never really tried to attempt to do it. And it's not because I don't want to, it's because like I just have life right now. I'm so busy with school and stuff like that. And then with that kit, it came with these false eyelashes so you could practice. Okay, there you go. So I have these false eyelashes so you could practice doing your individuals. Then you can have the individual lashes so you can really practice. These are 12 mm and 8 mm. Oh, I thought this would be like a 15 or something. I really don't know what this is. Maybe it's like some silicone thing. I don't know. So then I had ordered, it doesn't come with the glue. You have to order the glue separately. And this is Lash View. So I just got like a little glue to like practice on. 10 mm. It comes with wands to brush out your lashes, and it also comes with the tweezers so you can practice. So you have the straight one, and then you have the curved tweezer. And it also has these tweezers tonight, I guess. Apply it. Listen, I don't know. I'm just... So we got more lashes. Oh, these are 14 mm. So these probably are like longer to work with. Then we have like the little lash glue. So I'll put like a lash glue holder to put on your hand so that the glue won't stick out. And then we got tape. So lastly, I ordered this extra pack of eyelash thing, and it just has a whole bunch of stuff. And as you can see, I have not even opened them. So we have like the like this is to clean your real lashes. As you see, like a little cotton tip to make sure you remove all the dirt and stuff off of your lashes. And then we get more wands. And then we get more like glue holders. Then we have the hydro gel eye patch. They gave me a lot of these. And then we got more tape and a little bag to store everything. The brand says Thin Shine. So that was it for my Amazon haul. If you guys love these videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and continue watching. I'm gonna try to post every week for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.